Hey y'all, it's your girl Honey Luscious and we is back with another video. So y'all, for this video, I'm eating some strawberries with some pancakes with me. But y'all haven't been posting in a minute on my YouTube channel. So I just figured like let me get back on my channel and start posting it today. But y'all, as y'all can see that I have right in front of me, I have like a quick breakfast or whatever. So I'm gonna be eating on some pancakes. I got me some bacon right here. I was already eating my bacon, so that's why I look like it's gone. And then I got me like some strawberries right here, y'all. And I got me some syrup. But y'all, I was like, I'm gonna start back posting on my YouTube channel. Like just being my authentic self, trying to get out my comfort zone, like posting one. But y'all, I'm gonna catch up with y'all. I've been posting on my YouTube channel, like just being my authentic self, trying to get out my comfort zone, like posting one. But y'all, I'm gonna catch up with y'all, and I'm gonna do a where I've been video because I've been posting on my YouTube like years ago. Like I made my YouTube channel like back in 2021, and I was actually still going to school. So I was like, let me come back and get back on my channel, get back on my grind. But yeah, that's where I've been at. Cause life is, you know how life gets, and you graduate and get out of school, life is life now. But yeah, I'm back. And I'm gonna be back posting on my channel. But if y'all are new to my channel, just make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am on the road to 500 subs as like my first goal with my channel, and then I'll eventually start posting more after that. But y'all, make sure y'all subscribe, because we back. Like I'm on the ground right now. It's crazy. But I want to do a Q&A for y'all. But yeah, that's why I've just been doing internet life stuff. Y'all like it get crazy out here, for real. And then it's like, not only that, like I'm getting to the age where like I'm just now starting to like pay bills, like, cause I'm finna be 22 this year, y'all. So it's just like life been crazy, like it just get crazy. It's like life get crazy by the year. Everything I've been wanting to do on YouTube, and I like food too. Like I like to eat, so I could be posting me eating like so much food, like y'all. I'm telling y'all, especially if you like to eat and stuff like that, like you will see what I'm talking about. You will see where I'm coming from. So y'all, I really be eating in real life. But besides that, if y'all need my channel, make sure y'all subscribe. You know, like, comment. I also want to post like reaction videos too, but I'm still thinking about that. But I really want to do food because like I like to eat too, so it's just crazy, you know. Y'all get crazy being an adult sometimes. So people would think you don't be out here doing nothing, but you really be out here, you know what I'm saying, doing stuff. It's just like, that's how it is sometimes. Yeah, y'all, it's crazy. I wish I had more like confidence in myself, y'all, to be able to do so. Now I'm gonna make my own content, and I'm gonna be posting like more videos and stuff like that. So yeah. And y'all, I'm also like, I'm a big seafood lover. Like, I love blue crab, snow crab, king crab. Like, I like all that stuff. So I'll be trying to get into it for real. Like, I've had king crab before.